Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Google has released the Android P developer preview for Pixel devices, and today in this video we will show you how to install it and some new features we have found in the Android P. So let's start. According to the official report by Google, only 1.1% devices right now running on Android Oreo. And there might be the chance that the device you have, either you're waiting for Oreo on your phone or you already know that it will not have the Android Oreo update. Now in the latest release, Google has introduced the Android P developer preview for Pixel devices. The supported devices are Pixel, Pixel 2, Pixel XL and Pixel 2 XL. So let's start with how to get the Android P on your Pixel device. Few things to keep in mind: that we do not recommend this to be installed on your phone as a daily driver, as it's the first preview, so there'll be lots of bugs and crashes here and there. And in case you do install it, you should know how to go back to Android Oreo. And also, take a backup of your phone before proceeding, as it will erase all the data on your phone. So we need few things: an internet connection, a computer, PC or a Mac, and the data cable. There are two steps for installing the Android P. First step is to unlock the bootloader, and the second step to install the OS. And in terms of downloading, we need to download the platform tools and the Android P image for your phone, for which I have provided a link in the description to an XDA forum. Go there and download the one for your device. So the first step is to unlock the bootloader. So to unlock the bootloader, you need to turn on the USB debugging and the OEM unlocking from the developer options. Once you do that, we need to use the platform tools we have downloaded earlier. You need to connect your Pixel device to the computer at this point. And then open the platform tools folder you have downloaded, and if you're using Windows, just press and hold the shift key and select open new command window. And if you're using Mac, you just need to open terminal and point it to the directory of the platform tools. So the first command is the adb space reboot space bootloader, and if you're on Mac, just add the dot and / in front of the adb command. And after that your phone will restart. And once you're on the bootloader screen, here we need to unlock the bootloader. So for Pixel devices, the unlock bootloader command is fastboot space flashing space unlock. I will also leave the complete guide on our website, for which I will leave the link in the description below. Now unlocking the bootloader erases everything from your phone, so make sure you have already done the backup of it. So once the bootloader is unlocked, now we need to install the Android P. For Windows, it's really easy. You just need to extract the zip file of the Android P image which you have downloaded earlier and copy the content to the platform tool folder. And once done, just double click on the flashall.bat file and it will install the Android P on your phone. And for Mac, you need to put the commands manually, or just follow the steps I'm showing in this video. So we have the Android P now on our phone. Now let me show you what are the new features we have found in the Android P. First, the UI changes. We can see the design has mostly rounded corners, and you can also see the notification panel when you swipe from the top has all rounded corners, and also when you toggle them on, it will turn blue. There are no pages here, and you have only vertical scrolling if you add more icons. Talking about more visual changes, we have the actual dock at the bottom now with cloudy background, and it sort of differentiates between the docked icon and the icons on the home page. And if you go to settings, we can see the icons are more colorful and the overall setting page looks more polished. While we are in setting, let me show you the version of the Android P. And as you can see, we have the Android P, and now let me show you the Android P logo. Long pressing the logo doesn't open any Easter egg page. Comment below what do you think Google will call the Android P, and I guess it might be Android Pie or Peppermint. Talking about some other changes, we now have the screenshot option on the power menu. And the volume sliders are now shrink to the side as well, which will make it easier to adjust the volume with one hand. Message notification looks much better, and you can see the previous messages in a thread if you reply there. It seems that you're running a light version of the app in the notifications itself. Google has also introduced the native notch support with the Android P. Developers now can test with different notch style, and here is how everything looks with the notches. There is also a manual orientation mode which gets available in case you have turned off the auto orientation. You will see an icon in the navigation bar when you rotate the phone. Now these are the major changes we have found in the Android P. Apart from that, things like indoor map navigation, HDR video support, and most of the other changes are under the hood. So that's it guys, this was a tutorial to install the Android P and some new features of the Android P. Let us know if you like the newly designed OS from Google, or if you know any other major feature which we have missed in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.